See, here we have to simplify question number 4. 4 whole 1 by 2 minus 1 whole 1 by 5 plus 2 by 5. Question number 4. Now tell me what to do first. The very first part of the question is to change it into improper fraction. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
So what is the result of this 4 into 2 plus 1?
9 by 2.
Good. 9 by 2. 4 into 2 plus 1. 4 2 ja 8 plus 1, 9 by 2. Correct. And 1 whole 1 by 5. What will be its
6
answer?
by 5.
Is the right answer 6 by 5. And plus 2 by 5 is proper fraction or improper?
Improper.
Sorry, it is proper fraction. Numerator is less than denominator. So you cannot change into improper. You cannot change into mixed fraction. This is a proper fraction. Clear hai?
Yes.
Okay, now what to do here? Add or subtract. We have explained,
We have to take the LCM.
correct, to make them like fraction. So LCM of 5, 5 and 2 is, tell me which number is the greatest number?
5.
And taking table of 5, 5, 10. Okay, see, 10 is divided by all these three or not?
Yes, sir.
So yes, this is the LCM. And now if we divide 10 by 2, what is the outcomes? And 5 into 9, we require to multiply 5 into 9, that is 45.
45.
Now if we divide 10 by 5, the result is,
Minus 30.
no, it's not 30, it's 12. Because 5 से जब आप 10 को डिवाइड करोगे तो 2 आएगा. And 2 into 6 is 12. Again, this 5 will divide the 10, we get 2, and 2 2 ja.
4.
Okay, do you know what is BODMAS rule?
Yes, sir.
क्या होता है?
Yes, sir.
क्या करेंगे BODMAS rule में? हम पहले इन दोनों को ऐड करेंगे. So it is 49 minus 12 by 10. Can you say what will be the answer? 49 minus 12 is 37 by 10. And if you change it to mixed fraction, it will be this. Clear hai?
Yes, sir.
Very good, very good. Now the second question is a question of division. So this is how will we perform. First change into mix and then after divide. 6 whole 1 by 4 divided by 2 whole 2 by 3. I think this is the question, but we have to see again to check the question whether we have written it, yeah, correctly. The question is written correctly, but the number is 2, not B. So we are writing 2. Okay, because the numbering of the question should also be correct. See, 6 4 ja
24 plus 1 equal to 25 by 4.
24 plus 1 is equal to 25. Denominator will remain at its usual. 3 2 ja
6. 6 plus 2 equal to 8 by 3.
correct. And now as you are seeing that the sign is division, and if you want to change it to multiplication, what will be the changes occur? 25 by 4 into 3 by 8.
3 by 8.
Clear hai? Now, can you cancel any number, numerator to denominator?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
No, जो यस बोल रहा है वो मुझे बताएं.
No, sir. No, sir.
No number will be cancelled out because no numerator and denominators have common factor other than 1. So we cannot cancel it. So 25 3 ja 75 and 8 4 ja 32, and now you can write it in mixed fraction, and this will be answer. Clear?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Very good. So I know ki you all are getting this question. Here is the question of your book. You all know how to find the perimeter. Perimeter means sum of the boundaries. Okay? Sum of the boundaries. It means you will add this, this, and this to find the perimeter of triangle ABE. If the name is not written, see A, B, C, D, E. बच्चों क्लियर हो गया? नाम क्लियर हो गया? तो नाम जो है आप ये ध्यान रखना, बुक की कॉपी का है, क्लियर कर लेना, ये आपसे बन जाएगा. बोल रहा है रेक्टेंगल का भी पैरामीटर निकालना है. तो यहाँ पे अगर ये 7/3 है, देन यहाँ भी 7/3 मीटर है. यहाँ पे अगर 2 होल 1/4 है, देन देयर इज ऑल्सो 2 होल 1/4 मीटर. गॉट इट? तो मुझे लगता है यू कैन फाइंड द पैरामीटर बिकॉज यू नो हाउ टू एड एंड सब्ट्रैक्ट ऑफ द फ्रैक्शन. क्लियर है?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now.
Yes, sir.
Now the question is 11 number. 5/6 of a day in hour means 5/6 of
26.
hour. एक दिन में कितने घंटे होते हैं?
24 hours.
6 से अगर हम कट करेंगे 24 को तो क्या आएगा?
24.
5 4 जा.
20.
क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, 2/7 of a week. How many days are there in a week?
7 days.
7 days.
सही है, 7.
7 into 7.
अच्छा, 7 होता है या 6 दिन होता है सप्ताह में?
So 7
days.
संडे तो छुट्टी होती है, तो 7 दिन होता है या 6 दिन होता है?
7 days.
7 days.
Sir, 7 days.
कोई कंफ्यूजन नहीं है?
No, sir.
No, sir.
चलिए, वेरी गुड. तो हियर इज द 7. नाउ 7 and 7 will cancel out, and 2 1 is 2. That is the 2/7 of a week. Got it?
Yes, sir.
This is
Yes,
the
sir.
answer. And I hope that you all will solve these questions. Okay, now there is one more question. The question number 9. Cost of 2 dozen bananas is this much. Find the cost of 1 banana. Cost of 2 dozen means 24. 1 dozen has how many unit of banana?
12.
12. So 2 into 24 costs 21 3 24/7 rupees. Okay, so for 1 banana, cost of 1 is less or more?
So less.
To less.
Cost of 1 banana is 1/7.
For less we require dividing. 24/7 divided by 24, because 12 to ja 24, and division means the multiplication of the reciprocal 24. So it is 1/7 rupees answer.
Yes, sir. 1/7.
Correct. Note it down. It is rupees 1 by 7. And I'm very much aware that you all know how to do the question. And I think that if there is any question, just by the next class you are asking, and I am available for you